This video is a follow-up to my previous video on balancing combined means. Let's see how it works for a different question. So we've got 24 dogs and 16 cats in an animal shelter. We weigh all 40 of them. The mean of the dogs is a bit heavier at 23 kilograms. The mean of the cats is a bit lighter at 10.5. We want to find the mean weight of all of the animals together. So let's set up our method the same way. We always draw a number line. And on our number line, the dogs are at the heavy end. So let's put dogs over here. And they were 23 kilograms on average. The cats were at the lighter end. So cats over here, they were 10.5 kilograms on average. That means the combined mean of both of them must be somewhere in the middle. So once again, we're thinking of this sort of balancing seesaw somewhere in the middle of the two means. Our next step then is thinking about the forces pulling down on either end of this seesaw. So the cats, there were 16 of those, so we can say they've got force of 16. The dogs here have got 24. They've got a force of 24 pulling down. Think about the ratio then. So cats to dogs, 16 to 24. This simplifies as 2 to 3. So just like we saw last time, the ratio of the forces is 2 to 3. So the ratio of the distances must be the inverse of this. It must be 3 to 2. So we can say on here, this is going to be 3, this is going to be 2. Not an accurate diagram. So let's mark on our ratio 1, 2, 3. And on this side, really not accurate, we're just going to have 2 parts. Each of these blocks does represent the same distance, even though it doesn't look like it. So our next step then is finding what is the size of one block. And we've got 5 blocks from 10.5 to 23. So we can make a note here. We've got 5 parts. A distance from 10.5 to 23 is 12.5. So 5 equals 12.5 kilograms in our ratio. So one part of our ratio is going to be 2.5 kilograms. Now we can mark this in then. So 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. It's worth noting you can check this from either end of your seesaw method. So our last step then, finding where exactly is the mean, you could either go 10.5, adding on 3 parts, so that's 7.5, to get you to 18 kilograms. Likewise, you could go from 23, and you could take away 5, 2 parts, to get to your 18 kilograms. Either way, the mean is the same.